Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to check penalty points on your UK driving license. First, navigate to the official gov.uk website. Look for the service titled View or Share Your Driving License Information. This is the official and most secure way to check your details. Before you start, make sure you have the following information ready, like your driving license number, your national insurance number, the postcode as it appears on your driving license. Once you're ready, click the green Start Now button. On the next page, you'll need to fill in your personal information. You need to enter your driving license number, provide your national insurance number, and type your postcode. Then read the privacy notice, check the box to confirm you agree to the terms, and click View Now. And that's it. You will now be able to see your full driving record, including any penalty points, disqualifications, and the type of vehicles you are licensed to drive.